How to remove backgrounds in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Select the clip that you want to remove the background of and then come up to Effects and search for Color Key. We want to drag this effect onto our clip and then head into Effect Controls. Once in here, under Key Color, we want to select the Paint Dropper tool and hover this over the area that you want to remove. In my case, it's this blue sky. Click down on that and then come down to Color Tolerance. We want to increase this until it removes the majority of the colour that we are trying to get rid of. But we need to pay close attention to the details of our video to make sure it's not removing any parts that we want to keep. We can then also tweak Edge Thin and Edge Feather. We can bring these parameters up to bring the edge of that cutout in a little bit. But as we can see in my video right here, it is removing the guy on the skis right there. If you've not quite got rid of your entire background, we can simply come back up to Effects and drag another colour key onto the same clip, come back into Effect Controls, and then on the new colour key, select the Paint Dropper tool, and then click into the areas that's still there, and then bring up the colour tolerance again for those areas. As we can see there, my sky is now removing quite well. Again, once you've done this, you can come back into Edge Thin and Edge Feather and play around with these settings again. Now in my situation, I still have a little bit of the blue over here, so all I'm going to do is come back into Effects, drag another colour key onto my clip, come back into Effect Controls, select the Paint Dropper tool again, and then key this third and hopefully final part of my video. So if I bring up this colour tolerance again, we can see that that has done a better job of removing the entire sky. Now in some situations you might not need multiple colour keys, but it depends on how many tones are in the background that you're trying to remove. So if we just play this video back through, we can see that the sky has successfully been removed from my video. And that's all there is to it.